Guys, if you're someone who likes tech upgrades for your car, or you're just tired of plugging in your phone every time you drive, well, today's video is definitely for you. We're checking out something that promises to take your driving experience to the next level. Meet the Pairr Max Pro wireless car adapter from Pairr. This is more than just Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's a whole new way to be entertained on the go. So stick around to find out just how cool this is. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, what exactly is the Pairr Max Pro? Well, it's a wireless adapter that converts your existing wired CarPlay system into a wireless one, and it also works with Android Auto. That means no more cables dangling around, no more fumbling with your phone, just seamless automatic connection every time you start your engine. But this little box does more than just go wireless. It actually comes with 4 built-in streaming apps. You get Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video and IPTV. So when you're parked, you can turn your car's screen into an entertainment hub. Pretty cool, right? Now, before we get into it, Pairr reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this media adapter and to give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have the device itself. We're just going to pop that down for a second because underneath we've got some paperwork. And you know what guys, it's always good to keep an eye on that paperwork because there's always a few hidden gems in there. Then guys, we've got another little package underneath, and as we pop that out, we've got 2 cables. We've got a USB-A to USB-C cable, and we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. So depending on what kind of socket you've got in your car, there's a cable here for you. Now guys, taking a look at this unit, and there's not much to say about it. It's pretty small. It's got a USB-A socket on one side, and it's got a Type-C socket on the other side, and that is it. And when you do power it up, you'll get an LED light. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Now, setting it up was a breeze. It's completely plug and play, no apps to download, no complicated setup. Just plug it into your car's USB port, whichever it is, Type A, Type C, and wait a few seconds, and boom, you're connected. And once it's running, the performance is not too bad. I mean, I had a few times where it sort of lagged a little bit, but for the best part, it was fairly smooth. Now, thanks to dual band Wi-Fi and dual core processor, you do get fast load times and you get a very stable connection when you're streaming music, navigating with maps or making hands-free calls. Everything just worked seamlessly. And for the entertainment lovers, this is where it gets fun. With Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video and IPTV built in, passengers can watch videos right from the car screen. I mean, it's perfect for long road trips, long waits, or just a bit of extra comfort when you're parked up. Now remember guys, if you're the driver and you want to use any of these apps, just make sure your car is parked. Now, compatibility wise, it works with all iPhones from the iPhone 6, I think that's iOS 10, to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Just make sure your car supports wired CarPlay. And yes, you still get full voice control commands from the steering wheel buttons. You get touchscreen controls, and even all of the knobs and switches are all supported. So that's pretty cool. So guys, there you have it. The Pairr Max Pro wireless car adapter is one of the most complete plug and play upgrades you can give to your car. It gives you the freedom of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, adds built-in streaming apps, and does it all with smooth, stable performance. It's compact, easy to use and perfect for anyone who wants more out of their car tech without the hassle. And if you're thinking about cutting the cord and stepping up in your car experience, this little box might just be what you've been waiting for. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab one of these for just £72.99. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Pairr for sending me this media box to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.